Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest bikes and gear. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Honda Rebel 500A, a motorcycle that's been turning heads with its unique blend of retro styling and modern performance. So, whether you're a new rider or an experienced one, this bike might just be what you're looking for. Let's get started. Features: the Honda Rebel 500 for 2025 comes with some exciting updates. First off, this bike features a 471cc parallel twin engine, delivering smooth, linear power that's perfect for both city rides and highway cruising. It's paired with a 6-speed transmission for versatile performance. Honda also packed in a few technological upgrades this year, such as LED lighting all around, a digital LCD display, and the inclusion of optional ABS for better control. One standout feature is its low seat height, coming in at just 690 mm, which makes it super accessible for shorter riders or those new to motorcycling. The 2025 model also comes with a slipper clutch, making shifts smoother and reducing rider fatigue on long journeys. Design: when it comes to design, the Rebel 500 is the definition of a minimalist cool. The 2025 version continues that tradition with a clean, stripped-down look. The blacked-out engine, frame, and wheels give it a tough, modern vibe, while the classic round headlight and teardrop fuel tank add that old-school cruiser appeal. The bike now comes in a few new color options, including an eye-catching matte metallic finish, which really adds to its premium feel. The wide handlebars and mid-set footpegs are designed to give you a comfortable, upright riding posture, perfect for both city commutes and weekend getaways. Performance: alright, let's talk about performance. The Rebel 500 is powered by a 471cc parallel twin engine that pumps out around 45 horsepower, which might not sound like a lot, but for a cruiser of this size, it's more than enough to give you a thrilling ride. What really stands out is how well balanced the bike feels. Its low center of gravity makes it super easy to maneuver, whether you're weaving through city traffic or taking on winding roads. The engine delivers smooth power throughout the rev range, and the torque is available low down, which makes it great for quick accelerations. Plus, with Honda's renowned reliability, you know you're getting a bike that will last. Comfort and ergonomics: Honda has designed the Rebel 500 with rider comfort in mind. The low seat height, wide handlebars, and mid-set footpegs combine to give you a neutral, comfortable riding posture. This means less strain on your wrists and back, especially during longer rides. The suspension setup is another area where the Rebel shines. With front telescopic forks and dual shocks at the rear, it does a fantastic job of absorbing bumps and rough roads. The seat is padded just enough for comfort without losing that sleek, minimal look. Whether you're commuting or out for a weekend cruise, the Rebel is comfortable for a wide range of riders. Fuel economy: fuel efficiency is always a key consideration, and Honda's engineers have done a great job with the Rebel 500. On average, you're looking at around 65 miles per gallon, making it one of the more fuel-efficient cruisers on the market. With a 3-gallon fuel tank, you can cover a decent range before needing to refuel, which is perfect for long rides. WHO is the spike for. So, who exactly is the 2025 Honda Rebel 500 for? Honestly, this bike appeals to a broad range of riders. For beginners, it's a great entry into the world of cruisers. Easy to handle, approachable power, and very forgiving. For more experienced riders, it's a fun, stylish option for zipping around town or hitting the open road without feeling like you're overcommitting to a massive cruiser. In conclusion, the 2025 Honda Rebel 500 is an impressive machine. It's got the looks, the comfort, and the performance to make it stand out in the middleweight cruiser segment. Whether you're new to riding or a seasoned biker looking for something reliable and stylish, the Rebel 500 is worth a serious look. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment below if you have any questions about the Rebel 500 or any other bike you'd like to see reviewed. And, as always, subscribe to the channel for more motorcycle content. Ride safe, and I'll see you in the next video.